Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use Telegram account without phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you open the Telegram application and whenever you tap the start messaging option, you can see right off the bat the very first thing it asks me to do is to simply enter my phone number, which means that I can't create or use Telegram without having a phone number. That is simply it. There is no option to enter email addresses or something like that, as you can see. But what you can still do is, if you don't happen to have a real phone number, you can still open and use Telegram account using a virtual phone number, which I'm not going to discuss in depth in this particular video. But there are lots of free websites that provides you this type of phone numbers, and they are completely legal and function. There will also be paid services, but there are also some other free phone numbers that you can use. So select a phone number that you'd like, and then from there you should be able to begin using your Telegram account. This way you should be able to use Telegram account without phone number. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.